We are on day 3 of my 30 days guru challenge. Every day I test a different strategy the gurus swear by to see if it actually works for a real digital product business. Today I am handing my entire business over to AI. What if I never have to write a caption again? What if AI could just handle it all for you? The gurus say that ChatGPT can run your whole content strategy and your whole business. So today I gave it complete control. I did not write a single word myself. Not one caption, not one post description. ChatGPT did all of it. And I'm showing you exactly what I did so you can try it out too to see if it worked for you. So come over to my computer so we can check it out. Okay, so I opened ChatGPT. I gave it my niche, my audience, and my goals for the day. And asked it to write me everything I needed. Captions, content ideas, post descriptions, all of it. So I'm going to paste in the prompt I'm going to use so we can make it a little faster. And then we're going to send it to ChatGPT. And you see, it did it. It created everything for me. It gave me my captions, the hashtags, and everything. Now, one thing I would say when you're using AI and ChatGPT and all of those tools for help and assistant, make sure you check the hashtags. Make sure it's relevant on Instagram. If you're posting on Instagram, make sure it's relevant on TikTok. Make sure it's relevant on YouTube. Wherever you post those hashtags at, make sure it is relevant and it goes towards your business. Because again, it is AI and AI could do as much, because to me, AI need a human behind it every time. Okay? So let's not lose being a human for AI, okay? AI is here to help us. It's not here to replace us like how they want it to go, okay? That's not what we're doing here. Not here. Not what we're doing here when we're growing, okay? Now, what they doing in the world, that's a different conversation. Okay, so going back to ChatGPT, it created our content idea to post today. It even created the screen record tutorial that we need to create, the POV lifestyle video, the mini ChatGPT hack, and it gave us some descriptions. And now this is here to you could alter it. You could change it. You go back and forth with ChatGPT so it could get your vision, which I would recommend that, so it could make it uniquely for you. Now, here's what I want to be real with you about. ChatGPT is not sitting here just running my business, like they say. What it actually does, it takes away that blank page. You know how you're sitting there in content mode and nothing could come to mind? You're like, oh my gosh, I have all these ideas at 3 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning, and now I'm like, it's a blank page, okay? If you have been stuck in those modes, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So that's where AI and ChatGPT come in handy at. It basically definitely takes away that blank page feeling and give you something solid to work with. I still have to read through everything. I still have to decide what actually fits my brand and choose what to post. AI is not gonna do all that for me, okay? So it gives you the push, but you still gotta push the gas. Do you see what I'm saying? So that's what you gotta do. Your brain still has to be in it. Your brain still has to work. But the time it saves me, that I learned that it saved me, it is actually crazy. It saves so much time, like so much time. If you notice, I just had to type in a prompt and it gave it back to me very fast. If I want to tweak anything, I can. I could talk back and forth with ChatGPT to tweak things, which I would tweak things to be just more to fit me. And this is something I would recommend you guys to do. If you are in a blank page, this gets you going, okay? It gets your brain rolling. It gets your mind thinking like, okay, what am I gonna post? What am I gonna do? It gets your brain going, right? Once your brain is in creative mode and you're there, now it's time to use your brain, okay? Open up a document, just brainstorm things. Put it down, type, brainstorm everything that's coming in your mind. Put it on the paper so you could ChatGPT could actually help you put it together to create a content. Okay, and that's how you can come up with some great ideas for future videos or for that video. So definitely take advantage of that when AI helping you with your brain. Let your brain start getting in that content mode and let your brain start working. And when you have your ideas and your different things you want to do, tweak it and put it in a document so you could use your real brain. Because it's only so much AI could do for you, and you don't want to take away your personality. You don't want to take away just you as a person. So that's a tip I would definitely have for you guys for you to do. They are definitely right that AI could assist you, but you still have to be behind it to really run it, I would say. Okay? Don't think you're going to be able to sit down with your legs up and just AI do it all for you, okay? Because it's not going to work like that. You still got to use you. You're unique in a way, and you still got to put it into with your content and use it with AI, okay? So use your unique perspective and put it with AI, form it together. That's how you use it, okay? So they're not completely wrong about it, but they are just over exaggerating a little bit. Like you just hear that, like, oh, AI is going to run my entire business for me. And you're like, oh, okay. Not necessarily like that. It's basically use the tools that can help you, okay? Use any AI tools that's out there. You got Canva AI. They can create the post for you. But, you know, you still got to have your ideas behind it. But if you want to learn how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to create content and sell digital products without doing everything from scratch, that's exactly what my digital product kit covers. The link is in the description and it is in the pinned comment. It's made for complete beginners with no experience. Tomorrow, I am taking a viral hook formula from one of the biggest creators on YouTube. And I'm using it on my own small channel to see if it actually works. Come back because that one is going to be very interesting. See you for day 4 tomorrow.